DJ Delz.
New Funko Pop review on Colonel Sanders from KFC. This is an awesome Funko Pop. I love the packaging. We'll link it in the description box below for your convenience. It actually even came in this box right here, so that's really cool how you know, the packaging was A1, and I really appreciate that when they do stuff like that, because I like my boxes good. There's a look at the actual box. The back is awesome. It says your favorite fried chicken salesman is now your favorite collectible. Colonel Sanders. Awesome pop. This is part of the Pop Icons collection. And bang that thumbs up button. We're about to take Colonel Sanders out of the box. Taking the Colonel out of the box. Looks awesome with his bucket of chicken right there. His glasses look super sharp. I love how you can see through like the actual glasses. It has that translucent vibe. Looks fantastic. And just a great pop. I highly recommend picking him up. There is a side profile. And there's a look at his back. To his other side. When I see Colonel Sanders, I think of The Water Boy. I love that movie. I'd love to see some Funko Pops from The Water Boy. That's really it for today's video. Just wanted to give you a close-up look. Link will be in the description box below to pick them up. Don't sleep, pick it up. I know it's a common Funko Pop, a general release, but these things tend to sell out sometimes, even if it is a common. So do not sleep. Pick it up immediately. Link in the description box below, along with a bunch of other Funko you can pre-order, like Michael Jordan and a ton of others. I will put a list to help you all out. If you're new here, subscribe. And if you didn't bang that thumbs up button, what are you waiting for? Plus, I got one question for you. Is KFC the king of fried chicken as far as chains? Or is Popeyes the best? Or is Bojangles the best? Church's Chicken the best? Or is it KFC? They the king of fried chicken? Leave that in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. And we out.